Well, we ended up with a bunch of computer towers all stacked up there. Got 4 printers, the blue tub, those 2 stacks. Stack over here is all laptops. Got a few monitors. Excuse me. Got boxes and boxes of miscellaneous stuff. One box is almost completely full of nothing but RAM chips. I never did get that unloaded yet. But I'm tired. I'm going to go in the house and relax for the day. Because I've got a lot of chips, a lot of stuff to take apart. There's 2 freezers right there that are completely full of scrap metal. And all the towers, there's 2 rows of towers on top of the 2 freezers that I got to take apart. We got to take apart. And everything. Plus, I got an air conditioner in the back of the truck, 2 in here to get broke down. I got a bunch of aluminum thrown back there in the corner that's got to be done. I got aluminum outside, aluminum in the truck. The scrap metal just gets carried out back and stacked up. But I'm pretty well wore out from loading the truck and unloading it. So I'm going to go in, sit back and relax, and try and get something for supper.
Hi, guys.
Well, you gonna tell them bye or just hi?
Bye. If you guys didn't know, is that I finally got my driver's license, and I've been doing other stuff, and I now got all this stuff, and now I'm gonna help Billy to get it all taken apart. When I get my other, well, I'm off tomorrow, but I don't know what tomorrow has to bring us. Well, we're going to tell you guys bye. We're going to go in the house and get something to eat. So, talk to you guys later.
Bye, everybody.